Hi everyone, in this episode, I want to share with you a new AI tool in Filmora. So keep up with the development of technology, AI technology. Filmora Powder has released a new AI tool in Filmora. So here, AI copywriting. So that was generated by ChatGPT Power, and so this is such a great tool. That this function can help creators generate high quality text content with the title, video titles, description, or caption and more by artificial intelligence. So stay tuned and let's see how it works in Filmora. I'm Danny Du. Begin the AI copywriting. On the splash screen in Filmora, ChatGPT is open, right? And you can easy from the AI anything to generate idea for you. Let me show you the property here. And first slide, I call it suggestion box right here. That which you select one of them to fit with your video content, right? And you can type here the second box here. See the text box, where you can type anything that's the most specific in this box to get the best result that closest to your idea, right? And go down, you see the output language that give you more 20 language for you to select. And let's advance to click the white icon to active advanced option that symbolize the number of results. Select one from 1 to 10 result for you. Yes, right, it's up to you. And now I give you an example. So I make the YouTube video title right here, and I give me a title. For my trip to the moon. See that? And then we'll language to English, and number it may make 3 the result, right? And click the generate button and wait for a few seconds. And you see here, AI give you 3 titles for you to select, and you choose one of them if you feel happy, and then you can copy it by clicking the icon right here to copy the title, right? That's easy to use. And furthermore, when you in the Filmora interface and text, you work in the text, the title window, right? And Filmora has also added AI copywriting to the title, right? The title box here with the icon at the right corner about the text box, right? You click here that and AI copywriting open for you, right? Easily to use. You don't need to leave the Filmora interface. And here that's the same way to use. You just select in the suggestion box, and I choose YouTube video description. And now I give me an maybe a description about my trip to the moon, right? And in this event, I just need one and generate button and wait for a few seconds, and you see that AI generate a description for your idea for my trip. That's cool, huh? And then if you want to copy it again, you can click the icon right here and copy for whole, and you paste it right here, and you see that easy to use. And furthermore, one more thing that the Filmora had also at the AE when you export for video, and you think about your title right here, and you click icon right here to open the AI copywriting, and you can choose the title, and you give you the person for you to AI to generate the result for you. You see that easy to use, hard. You see here, I think AI copywriting in Filmora is a great tool to help you to help creator save time and effort, and while also improving the overall quality and effectiveness, right? And so I hope you enjoy my video today, and thank you very much guys for who watching my video. And if you feel my videos useful, don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel too if you want to see more. And thank you again, and see ya.